Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the entire operation from where the buyer purchases the share from the sub broker, the main broker, and then what is the process happens and how we get the shares or how he gets the money. So to understand this concept, let me explain you this concept with the help of the animations what we have seen. So in this video, say for example, you are a buyer who wants to buy the shares. So now as what you, if you want to buy the vegetables, you go to the vegetable market. Similarly, when you want to buy the share, where you will go? You will go to the broker. Now main brokers are many. So what does the main broker do in order to reach to the expand their business and to reach the more audience? They appoint sub broker and AP. So what is the difference between AP and sub broker? They are the intermediaries of the main brokers. They represent the main broker, and in turns they get the commission. What is the difference between AP and sub broker? Sub broker has a proper office setup. AB does not have the proper office setup. They uses the structure of the main broker, and the fee structure for AP is less as compared to for the stock sub broker. Now if a buyer wants to buy the shares, what he will do? He will go and place a buy order to the broker member. Through broker member means he can place the order through broker member, and broker member places the order on exchange. Now what happens? Once this order is placed on the exchange, seller also does the same thing. If he wants to sell a share, he will also contact the sub broker or the main or the AP or directly main broker and place an order with the broker. The same broker then places the order on the exchange. So there are two exchange, NSE and BSE. Now after this, what happens? If buyer and seller rates matches via exchange, the trades gets executed. This process happens on a trading day. Now what happens? Once this trader verification match, the traders get executed. What happens after this? This file from exchange goes to clearing member or clearing house. So what is the duty of a clearing member or clearing house of both the exchange? To make sure the proper computation of the work is done, proper taxation is there, proper intimation is done from the clearing member to the broker member. Yes boss, I need this much amount from you and I want to pay this much amount to you. Once that process is done, after that this process happens in T+1 day. Now who are the clearing house or clearing member? For National Stock Exchange, there are the clearing members, and that is NSCCL, National Stock Exchange Clearing Corporation Limited. And for Bombay Stock Exchange, there are clearing houses. All these broker member are the member of clearing houses, and through them the intimation goes to the broker. Boss, broker A, I want this much money from you. Broker B, I want this much share from you. Once this process get executed, then what does the broker does? Broker take the money from the buyer and take seller, his transfer of the share from the seller into the pool account. From buyer, the money goes to the pool account, what is where the clearing member, every clearing member maintain its account with the bank. they are the clearing bank. They are called as the clearing bank. So from buyer amount, the money goes into the pool account of the clearing bank. And from seller account, the share goes to the depositories. Who are the depository? CDSL and NSDL. So the money goes into the pool account of CDSL and NSDL. And from there, they are transferred to the pool account, and from pool account, it is transferred to the seller account. Money is transferred from buyer account to the pool account, and then it is transferred to the seller account. And from seller, the shares which are held in the pool accounts are transferred to the pool account, and from there they are transferred to the buyer. So this entire process gets completes on T+2 days. So there are 3 days. First day is what? Is a trading day. Then second day, T+1 is a computation and taxation day carried out by the clearing member. And third day, the actual settlement takes place. So this is the entire process what happens when you buy a share or when you sell a share. So this was the operation for the step 1 to the step last. The moment you place a buy order, till the time the process get executed. Thank you.